Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news for photography lovers and smartphone fans. Huawei is about to release its brand new Pura 80 series, and they've teased a feature that could change the way you take pictures on your phone. The big news? Huawei is adding real-time style and color adjustment to its camera. And no, this isn't like the filters you use after snapping a photo. This feature works live while you're setting up your shot, right inside the camera app. It's quick, it's easy, and it makes your photos look great before you even hit the shutter button. So how does it work? Well, Huawei shared a teaser video showing this new feature in action. When you open the camera on the Huawei Pura 80, you'll see a color palette tool right under the shutter button. This isn't just for decoration, it's a handy control that lets you change the color tone, lighting, shadows, and saturation of your scene in real time. For example, imagine you're at the beach during sunset. Sometimes phone cameras don't quite capture those warm oranges and pinks the way you see them with your eyes. But with this new tool, you can instantly adjust those colors before you take the picture, making it look just like it does in real life, or even better. And that's not the only cool thing. Huawei is also adding real-time style filters you can preview before snapping your photo. These include options like film style, movie style, anime-inspired filters, and more. You just swipe through the options on your screen, see how your photo will look with each style, and pick your favorite. The best part? No more guessing what a filter will look like after the fact, and no need for extra editing apps. You get your perfect photo ready to share right from your phone's camera. This is great news for social media users who want their Instagram grid or Facebook post to have a consistent style. Whether you prefer bold, colorful shots or softer, pastel tones, you can pick your vibe live as you take your photos. Huawei calls this feature personalized style, freeze as you like. And honestly, it's a clever idea. While most phone brands focus on megapixels and zoom, Huawei seems to be aiming for creative tools that make your photos stand out in new ways. Speaking of zoom, let's not forget that the Pura 80 series is also rumored to have a powerful 20x periscope zoom camera. This means you'll be able to snap clear pictures of things far away while also having complete control over how your photo looks in terms of colors and style. On top of all this, it looks like Huawei is improving their camera sensors and AI photo tools too. That means your phone won't just help you zoom in better. It will also recognize different scenes, suggest the best settings, and adjust lighting automatically. And now, with real-time color and style controls, it's giving users even more creative freedom. What makes this exciting is that everything happens right in the camera app. No need to download extra apps or spend time editing afterward. Just open the camera, adjust your colors and style, and snap your shot. It's clear that Huawei is serious about giving users a better photography experience, and the Pura 80 series might raise the bar for what smartphone cameras can do. So, when will we see this new phone? Huawei has officially announced that the Pura 80 series will launch on June 11th at 2:30 p.m. That's just around the corner. We're expecting even more cool features at the event, including maybe new AI tricks, extra filters, and possibly new camera hardware too. If you love smartphone photography, this is one event you'll want to watch. And don't worry, we'll be covering the whole thing here on the channel. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our full review of the Huawei Pura 80's camera features and everything else it offers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.